Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing the Barclays Platinum Credit Card, which is a popular choice for balance transfers and 0% interest offers. So if you are thinking about applying for it, make sure to check out the link in the description for the latest offers and in order to check your availability. So the Barclays Platinum is designed to those who are looking to manage the existing debt with a long 0% interest period. It's a great option for balance transfers and purchases, but it doesn't offer cashback or rewards. Here, if I talk about the pros, so you are going to get 0% interest on balance transfers. The second thing is that there is no annual fees, so you don't need to pay any extra cost to keep the card. This makes it a budget friendly choice. The second thing is the purchase protection, so it provides the added security for purchases, giving you a peace of mind. If I talk about the cons, so there is a balance transfer fees. While the 0% interest is great, a balance transfer fee applies, so keep that in mind. The second thing is there is no rewards or cashback, so unlike other credit cards, it doesn't offer cashback or points on spending. So if you need a long 0% interest period for balancing the transfers or purchases, the Barclays card Platinum is a solid choice for you. But if you are looking for rewards or cashbacks, you may want to consider other options. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.